What is up, you guys? It's Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. Okay. Today's video is brought to you by my stupidity and my love for stupid things. No shade to the company that I'm going to be playing with their products today. I honestly bought it because I feel like I'm going to be obsessed with it and use it. But today, that was such a long way of saying today, we are going to be playing with something that I found in Forever 21 that I looked online and it's apparently sold out, which is so iconic. So we're going to be playing with the Glam Light Slider Burger Palette. And I know some of you right now are thinking, Chris, what? I didn't even know that existed. And you know what? Neither did I until I was shopping through Forever 21 and I said, it was like a little tester on it, and I was like, what is this thing shaped like a burger? And I opened it and it was a full palette. I was like, so I have to buy this? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna take a look at the colors, I'm going to go off camera, do my face, and we are going to play in this eyeshadow palette, because honest to God, the sample was really cute. We're gonna open her up. Let me get my scissors, 1 second. Snip, snip. Let's open her up. Let's just see what's happening here. So this retails, well, it retailed in Forever 21 for $20. I don't remember what it was on the website. I'll have to look. I like that it was sealed. I appreciate that, especially in a COVID world. It's giving protection. Okay, I can't. Okay, here it is. Let's open her up. Y'all, get into this packaging. Get into this packaging. Why is she giving Five Guys? I'm screaming. This is a burger. This is hilarious to me. Oh my. Okay, honestly, whoever's on the packaging department at this company is getting a gold star review from me. This is the most iconic thing I've ever seen in my life. Okay, let's pull her out. Can y'all believe this right now? Okay, so here's what the top looks like. It's giving bun. Let's actually open her up and see what's inside. I can't with the fact that it looks like a hamburger. Like even the bottom. Let's open it. I can't deal with it anymore. There's the colors, y'all. It comes in it has a mirror in it too. Also, this little thing is attached, which I like, but I'm gonna tear it off. Let's get into these colors, y'all. Look at her. Can we talk about it for a second? Why are they not bad? Like, why am I kind of into it? Why am I gonna wear this palette? I'm a little shook about it. This I can't without the names. Should we go through them? This is avocado. This is lettuce. We have French fries. We have bun. This is blue cheese. I'm screaming. Patty. Not Miss Patty. This is red onion. This is tomatoes. And this is onion rings. I'm screaming. Why is this making me hungry? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my full face and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna try a look. I'm seeing things. I feel like I wanna maybe do red onion in the crease of my eye and then maybe do like blue cheese and avocado. Maybe like a blue cheese avocado moment and then like patty to smoke out the underneath. This is really just so funny to me. Honestly, like if we're being real, it's not like superly like well made, but the concept is like 100% there. Like I am here for it. It's magnetic. So it's like not gonna, you know what I mean? Like you gotta like actually open it. This is sending me. I can't with the fact that this is an actual burger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my face, and then let's come back and play with this crazy ass palette, shall we? Here we go. All right, y'all, what is up? We are back, the face is done, and I am so ready to try this palette. We're back with Miss Burger. We're back with Miss Glam Light Slider. So here's what we're gonna do, y'all. On my lids, I have e.l.f. concealer as like a little primer, just so you guys know, as a little eye primer. This needs to, I need to raise my chair up a little. You raise me up. So I'm gonna go in with red onions. It's this like pink moment down here, and I'm gonna do my whole crease in that, I think. Now that I'm staring at the color options, I changed my mind. I'm gonna go in with bun to do the first half of my lid, the like inner part of my lid, and then we're gonna do red onions on the outside, and then we're gonna do some blue cheese and some avocado on the inside. These shade names, I'm fucking gagged. We're gonna see how this works. It's definitely falling out a little, but we're gonna see how this works, girl. Okay, I'm not mad, it's pigmented. I don't know, girl, she's kind of gagging me. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more on this side since Miss Pigment really showed up on the other side. The pigment's like, she's there for sure. And it didn't, I mean, it definitely like It's not like, I mean, you can see in the pan. Find it, find her, where's the focus? I don't know if y'all can see, it kind of like in the pan made some like little marks, like some dents, but whoa, I need to focus back on me. Thank you. It made some like little dents, but it wasn't anything crazy. So now I'm gonna go try this red onion color to do the outer part of the eyelid and just see what happens. Oh my God, it really does. It's giving red onion. Here's the part that's gagging me, is that it actually kind of looks good. It actually is kind of looking good, and I'm a little shook to the core about it. Why am I kind of gagged at this like Phoenix color that this like burger palette is making? Whoa, yeah, that's pretty crazy. So there's not really like a super light shade in this palette. What I might do is try to take this onion rings color down here, this like light brown, and go along the edge and see if I can diffuse it and blend it a little bit, but that could easily, oh no. I'm a little bit scared about this. This might be too dark. Oh, yep, So that was a mistake, 100%, but we're committing. You know what? Okay, it's not as bad as I thought it was. It's not great. That's the one downside I would say to this palette, is that there's no like super light shade to really blend it all together, but I will say that I'm not mad. The pink and the orange is kind of fierce, I'm not gonna lie. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put that brush away. We're gonna experiment with a few things here. Sorry, I keep looking in the monitor because I'm just kind of like a little shook about the fact that this burger is making this look right now. We're gonna go a little crazy. I'm gonna take this little brush right here, and I'm going to spray it. I'm gonna say it, don't spray it. And then I'm gonna take it into blue cheese, this blue one in the middle right here, and I'm just gonna honestly see what in the world happens with this. Okay. There's definitely some fallout. There was like a little bit of fallout on the lower lid, but this is kind of shaking me to my core. It definitely has more green shimmer on the lid than it does in the pan. But why am I kind of living for this look? The blue lid is kind of gagging me. It kind of looks really sickening. Let's try the other one. Not a burger creating this look. I have to go. This is so weird. This is really kind of fierce, I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, period. Like, I look good. Like, I'm kind of here for it. The blue is actually kind of pretty. I wasn't sure about it at first because it doesn't really match what's in the pan. That blue is like blue in the pan, and it's a little like, it's definitely blue on my eyes, but it's a little greener. I mean, the fallout in the pan is like, there's not a ton. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this little smoky brush and I'm going to dip into lettuce. I'm a little nervous about this part, to be honest, but we're just gonna go for it because you know what, we've committed, and here we are. So I'm gonna go into lettuce and I'm gonna smoke out the bottom because I just really wanna see what's going on with this green. Okay. That color is really like a lettuce color. I don't know about this. It's definitely like just a muted green. It's giving like gross green, not like a cute green. I mean, it's whatever. It's not the hottest green in the entire world. I feel like if it were a little bit of a brighter green, it kind of makes me look seasick. So there's that. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is take this French fries color. We're just dipping into all the shades today. This like golden French fries color, and I'm gonna see what that looks like in the crease. We're gonna take the same brush that we did the green with. Sorry, I said the crease, I meant the inner corner. It's literally 1:39 in the morning right now, so cut me some slack with the vocab. Okay, this is kind of cute. We're gonna see if we can marry these two together a little bit. I'm not entirely mad at it. It's like a nice little pocket of color. You can see it, she's there. Honestly, the pigments aren't bad. They like, for the most part, match the pan. Ugh, it's honestly, everything was cute until I did the green. And the green just really, I was really looking forward to being adventurous, but I should have done a brown. I should have. The green really like took it to a level that I didn't love. Let's throw on some lashes and I'm gonna do some brows. I'm gonna do the final touches and then we'll come back and we'll discuss Miss Glamlight Slider Palette. All right, y'all, we are back with the final look, and honestly, after looking at it for a little bit and like getting the rest of my face done, it's not as horrible as I thought it was. Here's the only part of it that really just shivered my timbers a little bit, for lack of a better word, is the green. I added the green to the bottom and it just wasn't my favorite. I'm very picky about greens to begin with. Like, it's gotta be like vibrant, shiny green for it to like even remotely look good on my eye. But you know what? It's not bad. It like could have been a lot worse. There could have been no pigment. The blue on my lid is gagging me. The pink, the orange, even the blending it out with the like brown color. The top of the eyes are gaggy. If you saw me on the street, like I feel like there would be compliments. You know what I mean? Like I don't feel like ugly. The only part that I didn't like was the green. I wish it would have been a little bit more vibrant, or that I would have done the brown. As a whole, I don't hate it. At the end of the day, I don't think it's necessarily about the eyeshadow, but it did work. It's not the most wearable palette in the entire world. I would say like if you don't wear like colors, like you got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 if you want to like venture into the gold world, but it's definitely for the adventurous, I would say. If you're looking for like an everyday palette, I'm not sure that this is the way to go, because I used a lot of the shades and this is what was made out of it. So it's a little wild. I think that the packaging is brilliant. I think that the concept is brilliant. And I think that for it being really good packaging, a really good concept, and $20, the look was cute. The shadows worked, and I wish I would have gotten to try the avocado moment up here, which I don't know why it's called avocado. That is very like blue to me, and avocados aren't blue. Honestly, I'm happy with it. It worked. It's cute. I don't feel ugly, and that's really all that matters. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining this video. If you want to see me try more crazy makeup products, tag some below, because I'm a little out of the loop when it comes to crazy products. Let me know what you guys want me to try next below. I literally found this shopping in Forever 21, so if you guys know of anything weird or crazy that you want me to try, comment down below or DM things to me. Thank you so much for joining this video, y'all. I'll see you guys next Friday for a brand new video. Until next time, don't forget to wear a mask, get vaccinated if you can, and spread love like it's butter. Mwah. Bye, guys.